Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I hope you're all keeping well. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I bought from Morphe. Of course I picked this online, and yeah, I'm quickly show you. It came in this box. Of course I do have the packaging right here, and let me quickly remove them by one so we can begin with our haul video. How you guys doing? What's been happening in your world? Of course over here we are still in lockdown. Yeah, so I do my shopping pretty much online already. Let's begin to show the product. So you guys, the first item I picked is of course this one called Bake and Set setting powder, which comes in this packaging here. So I have never really tried Morphe setting powder, so this is going to be my first time and I'm looking forward to be trying this. I picked mine in the shade Banana Rich, which is of course just written at the back here, Banana Rich. So and it looks like this. That's the packaging right there, and it looks pretty yellow, and at the back here we get all the information about the powder, of course. So yeah, oh, it's still sealed already. That's when you know it's new, haven't been touched. Should we actually go ahead and peel this one? Ooh, oh, just jumped out. Okay. Oh, it feels very fine. All right. It reminds me of the banana powder from Revolution Beauty. So it looks like this. I just swatched it over here on my arm. I'm not sure if you can be able to see that, but yeah, it's a very fine, banana powder that I will, of course, try in my future video. So that's the first item there, and they did have like, a few more shades on their powder, and I just went ahead and picked up the Banana Rich. All right. Other than that, the next item I picked is, of course, this micro brow pencil in the shade. What shade is this, by the way? Chocolate Mousse. So it's this one right here, and let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, it's quite small, but it comes in this packaging right here. So it's very fine, of course, for to make your brow more more cute. Yeah, I like the tip. I think this will help like create like a beautiful kind of nicely defined brow. Wow, that's quite fine. Let's see the color. I hope the color is going to be like a dark brown. So oh, okay, that's almost like black, but it's more like a deep. Look at the color. So that's the color right there. But this will be perfect for my brow, because when you compare the one that I have on now, it's almost like the same. Maybe this one is slightly darker, but I don't mind that. I'll give it a try. And I really wanted to try this product because I've seen some reviews on this and some people are quite happy with the product, so I really wanted to give it a try. And yeah, I shall be testing that, because the one that I usually use is from Revolution Beauty or the one from Altera Cosmetics, and it's a good idea to try other products. So that is the second item. Let's move on to other items. And you guys, this one here, I know I have so many Morphe brushes. Like up here, it's ridiculous. It's like lots of Morphe brushes. I'll quickly just show you one of them, like this one here. They're all Morphe brushes in here, and I love these brushes. So I went ahead and of course picked up more brushes, and this time I got this one here, which is their Eye Obsessed 12-piece eye brush collection, and this comes with a bag, so you do get a bag as well. So it is this one right here, and of course the bag comes off, but I did pick up two. I have another one right here because of course there will be a special giveaway very soon coming on my channel. I'm pretty sure you're aware of that. So I picked up two of them. Now we have this one here, which will be of course for for the giveaway, future giveaway, and then I have this one here, which is of course mine. So I'm going to put the giveaway away so that we don't touch that one. So let's go ahead and have a look in here. So we are getting how many? 12. Are there 12 in there? 12 piece eye brush collection. Going to go ahead and open this and just see. It's very loud outside, you guys. So many cars today moving there. Apparently people want to go somewhere, even though some of us will stay inside. I'm pretty sure they are going to the supermarket to buy food, because that's obviously it's urgent, you have to buy. But here is how the brushes, so they come in the plastic. So let me quickly just take them out one by one. I won't do like a full detailed review on these, because you know, I might try them in the future where I actually, you know, try them on my eyes so you guys can get to see. But today I'll quickly just show you how they, you know, they look like. Just take them out of the bags. Oops. So you can see already. Yeah, I find the Morphe brushes really good, and they do an amazing job when it comes to blending. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You gotta count, you know. So they look like this, you guys. So that is the brushes right there. And you do get you know, a lot of blending brushes, which I just dropped one, which I don't mind. Like these ones here, they're really good for blending. And I do have already some of those, but because I use them so much, and I don't mind having, like, you know, like 2 or 3 of the same brush, so that I don't have to wash them every time. So this is good. And you know, we do get some for your brows as well. We do get a spoolie over here, you know, comes with a spoolie, and we have, you know, this side here for your brows, which is quite nice. So yeah, lots of, you know, good brushes here. Something for your inner corners, you know, like a pencil brush. So yeah, lovely. And then you come, you know, you get this bag as well, so that, you know, everything is nicely packed in here. So yeah, that's lovely to have more brushes. You don't have enough of those, especially if you do makeup like I do. All right, so that is that, and we have 2 more products. Wow, that is loud. That is loud, you guys. You have no idea how many times I tried to wait for the noise to disappear, but yeah, we just have to do what we're gonna do. All right, so the next products here, you guys, let's begin with Morphe X Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist, which of course comes in this packaging right there. Now you guys know how much I love pink, right? So this is the outer packaging, which of course looks like this. So yeah, let me quickly open it so we can see how they, oh, pink, yes, pink, come to me. So yeah, that is the packaging right there. And it is, of course, what shade is this? I believe it's like a berry. Yeah, we do get some like strawberry here, or whatever that is. Yeah, I believe it's let's have a look. What flavor is this? Berry scent, it says here. So yeah, will be definitely that smells nice. Okay, that smells nice. That smells fruity. Okay, that's nice. So that is that from Jeffree Star X Morphe. And then I picked up an eyeshadow palette, you guys. This one is, of course, Morphe X Jeffree Star Artistry Palette. And the packaging, you guys, it is pink, you guys. Pink is, of course, my color. I love anything pink. So that is that. But the eyeshadows are the one that we are interested in. But you guys, look at this. Let me just quickly hold it like this. So those are the shades that comes in, of course, in this palette, and they look like really good to me. Obviously I have to do swatches, I have to play them on my eyes, with them on my eyes, of course, so I can be able to tell. But just looking at them, I do like the colors. The color selection looks nice. We do have some pinks, some warm tones, some cool tones. I am really, you know, excited to try this. Oh, this green, the green color. Ooh, this green looks lovely. You guys, look at this green. It's a wow. That looks amazing. All right, so that is the of course Morphe X Jeffree Star artistry palette, and we will be testing all this. All right, so that I believe was everything that I picked, you guys. I did not really, you know, do extremely, you know, large shopping this time, because I did do again with Essence, so I really needed just these products here. And that is everything that I picked from Morphe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and definitely in the future there will be a video, you know, coming up for the review. There will be this one here and other products as well that I have, you know, bought just to keep on the side for the giveaways. So not review, giveaway of course. So yeah, that will be coming on my channel very, very soon. But yeah, everything in here, I'll be testing them out. I'll be doing a wear test, not wear test, I'll be doing swatches, and of course trying the product on, and then yeah, we'll find out together how they perform. All right, you guys, this was interesting. I believe this is my first Morphe unbox. No, I've done two already, or two or three. Yeah, I'll link them down below so you guys can check them out to see what else I have unboxed from Morphe. But yeah, that is it. Lots of love, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you have tried any of these products and how do you find them. And yeah, so go have a good one. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and ring your bell, because apparently if you don't, you may not get my notification. So please do ring your bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Until then, go have a good one. Lots of love. Take care, and I shall catch you all lovely people on my next video. Bye for now.